My dear students, I'm going to explain you unique nature of ZnO, that is zinc oxide. So, unique nature here, I mean, although it is a metallic oxide and being a metallic oxide, it has a color and the color is different when it is hot and when it is cold. So when zinc oxide is hot, then it is yellow in color. But when it is cold, it is white in color. So due to temperature, due to heat, its color is different. So it is the unique nature of zinc oxide. And we also know that this zinc oxide, its another name is philosopher wool. Yeah. So this is the unique nature of zinc oxide. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.